Chanel's. Don't look at the tag, baby.
What we're doing today is I actually got something to put on here. I know it's been a minute, but I got a new job, so I've been working. I'm sorry about the lighting. We got a new exhaust system to put on the car today. Get rid of that resonator delete. Should definitely be pretty cool. Yeah, we'll be putting that on. We'll be doing like a sound comparison. See, which one's actually better. Does a resonator delete sound better, or does an exhaust system sound better? First, somewhat of a cold start for the resonator delete.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Hopefully the new exhaust sounds better. Let's get started. Had to make a trip to Harbor Freight. Back grinder. This whole thing is welded here.
No exhaust right here.
Just tightening it up. It's looking good. How we doing, boys? How we doing on time, boys?
Yeah, buddy.
Take off.
Sick car, bro.
Thanks, man.
Oh.